view the idea of being a stay-at-home wife in today's society? Would you ever consider being a stay-at-home wife if your partner assured you that he could take care of all the finances? Do you think it's very hard nowadays to find a stay-at-home wife? A Filipina who would choose to be a stay-at-home wife? Ano nga? Oh, she's crying! No, don't cry! Oh no, don't cry! I'm sorry. She's crying because she's a little emotional because I guess you really want to take care of your kid. It's just that. What's your name and age?
My name is Jessa and I'm 21 years old.
Okay, Jessa, here's the question. How do you view the idea of being a stay-at-home wife in today's society?
In today's society, I view stay-at-home wife. I respect them because I view them as a very respectful woman because they are carrying their children and their husband while they're in their house. Even though they haven't worked or any, they have a lot of what they call the hard work that they can do on their houses.
Would you ever consider being a stay-at-home wife if your partner assured you that he could take care of all the finances?
Yes, I can because if I assure that my husband will take care of all the
Everything.
everything, the foods and what what is needed for the house, I probably be a housewife.
Do you think the role of women in Filipino families is changing? How so?
Yes, because in past, moreover in and nowadays, the housewife and their houses are not just being a wife or just taking care. Some of them are working online or they helping their husband and the family.
Well, anyway, you're 21 years old. Are you still studying?
I'm not yet. I already stopped 2 years ago, and I'm working now for my family. I don't have, my family. I don't have a husband. my family.
Yes, 21 years old. Okay. What do you call this? What's your job?
My job is a cashier and fast food.
What's your name and age?
My name is Mary France Adelaide B. Bachelier and I am 21 years old po.
The way you say it, like it sounds like you're a Miss Universe. You're on pageant, right? Okay, so here's the question. How do you view the idea of being a stay-at-home wife in today's society?
My opinion on that situation po is that I think it depends po on the perspective or like the decision of women. I think that it's not um even bad at all to be a stay-at-home wife because as a housewife it's really a difficult job, and I think that this like stereotyping or like um discriminating housewife, it's 2025 already, and I think that uplifting those women who decides to be a stay at home wife or a housewife is it's very very amazing po, and for me there's no problem on such decision po.
Would you ever consider being a stay-at-home wife if your partner assured you that he could take care of all the finances?
um currently I'm still having some doubts about that, but my my thoughts about that is that I would still respect that decision because being on a marriage, the decision would always be consensual. So I think that for me, I would consider, because again, being a mom is a very difficult job, and I would want to experience being a mom po.
You mentioned about having doubts. What are these doubts?
I think that because in today's society, uh men tends to, there are types of men that uh would say promises but would sometimes would not do it. So I think that I still would like to have a life as a woman, like to work independently and have an independent life, because as as a daughter, and the way I see my mom today, she is a housewife, and I'm proud to say that my mom is a housewife. And I know that being a housewife again is a very difficult job, and that's why I'm having some second thoughts of being a housewife, because I see the struggle of my mom. But I do not look at my mom or like belittle my mom at that.
Do you think the role of women in Filipino families is changing? How so?
Can you please
Like if you compare it from before and then now, do you think the role of Filipino women is changing already?
I think, based on my observation po, I think yes, because again, before, women are so, because of a patriarchal society before, women tends to just be a housewife. But then today in this society, I I am very proud to say that women are uplifting each other to go out and explore their womanhood and be strong, to be be adventurous, and like to be independent and not to always depend on men. That's why I'm very proud po.
Okay. What's your course, Beb?
BS Psychology po.
What's your name and age?
Jezabel po, 27 years.
Okay. Jezebel, right? Okay. Jezebel, would you ever consider becoming a stay at home wife if your partner assured you that he could take care of all the finances?
Yes po. Um, for the sake of my daughter, and I would love to stay at home for wait lang. Wait lang, kinakabahan ako.
It's okay. She said that she gets nervous. So you would, if you would stay at home as a wife, right? To take care of your family, your daughter.
Yes po.
Do you think the role of women in Filipino families is changing? Sa pagkiling mo ba yung role kang mga babae, ngunyan, nag-iba na? Like before, tapos ngunyan, kung i-compare mo, nag-iba na ba yung role kang mga babae ngunyan?
Ngunyan kaya ma'am, kaya mo na din multitask na yung nagagawa ng mga role ng mga lalaki, nagagawa na din ng mga role ng babae.
So it's a yes.
Yes po.
Okay, yes. So the role of what do you call this, women changes now. Like what you said, that anything that a man can do, women can do as well, right?
Yes.
Do you have like a family now, or what do you call this? Kaharap ka lang po. Do you have a family now, or you're what do you call this? Like you're still studying? What?
Working po.
You're working. Do you have your own family now? Like do you have kids? Do you have husband like
I
that?
have a daughter po.
With husband?
Bali yung papa niya kasi ma'am, namatay na po last year.
Oh, so you're widow.
Hindi naman po, may ano na ako ngayon ma'am,
You
living.
have a new partner. Oh, okay. And both of you are working, right?
Yes po.
So if you've given a chance to stay at home, if your partner says, you can stay at home, I'll take care of everything, you would do it, right?
Yes ma'am. Definitely yes po.
Okay.
Kasi gusto, may mga working mom kasi ma'am na gusto din nilang maalagaan yung baby nila. Kaso, ano nga,
Oh, she's crying! No, don't cry! Oh no, don't cry! I'm sorry. She's crying because she's a little emotional because I guess you really want to take care of your kid. It's just that you couldn't stay at home because you have to provide for her and for your family, right? She's crying. Oh no, I'm so sorry. No. Oh no, she's crying. Don't cry. Oh my god, it's making me cry. Oh no. Don't cry. Oh my god. What's your job?
Sales personnel po sa Silicon Valley.
So what is that like? Are you said what is that like? What products are you um
Smartphones, computers, laptop.
okay, don't cry. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, we have to cut this. But anyway, but thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. I'm sorry. What's your name and age?
I'm Paul Christian and I'm 27 years old.
Okay. So, in this modern era, do you think the role of Filipinas has changed from traditional homemakers to independent women with careers?
I think yes, but there's a side of it, a bad side of it, negative side, because I prefer uh I prefer the Filipina before.
The Filipino now.
Yes, because Filipina before are more conservative, and even though they have job, the respect to the elder is there and how they dress. But now I think it's I don't like it for me, just for me.
So, does that mean that you prefer a stay-at-home wife, right? Rather than an independent woman?
It depends on the situation. If the um if they have good business or job, why not? But it depends. I prefer my wife is in my house carrying the family.
Okay. Do you think it's very hard nowadays to find a stay-at-home wife? A Filipina who would choose to be a stay-at-home wife?
No, because in city it's hard, but when you go to other coastal area, there's a lot of women that very family. What do you call that? Yeah, family oriented, and they know what to do in their family. Not here in the city. The Filipina here, the women here are like they want to be higher um, than men.
Okay. Now, do you like the direction in which Filipino culture is heading?
It depends on the situation. Um, but we need to accept the fact that we need to follow what is the trend now. So, but for me, I prefer both modern and I think modern and than before.
Modern and before. Okay, well, anyway, thank you so much, sir. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye.
Beautiful reflection